What's up? My name is Kayla, and today we're going to be talking about do all deaf people or hearing people learn signs or American Sign Language, why or why not? So the first one is no. And it really depends. Are you born deaf? Is your family want to immerse you in the deaf community, deaf culture, stuff like that? If you are born deaf, a lot of deaf kids don't learn American Sign Language because their families are hearing and their families don't want to immerse them in ASL because they don't want to learn ASL. So they try to force them to learn English and they're not really able to communicate. And then another reason is not everyone's born deaf. A lot of people have hearing loss later in life where there's an accident and they know English and they can talk and they just can't hear and they're not immersed in the community. So yeah, I hope that helped.